Welcome to my channel, dear students. In last video we have discussed the surface area of cube and cuboid, but in this video we will discuss the volume of cube and cuboid. So what is the volume? Volume is the capacity in which any container can contain. So volume का जो फॉर्मूला होता है वो होता है एरिया ऑफ बेस इनटू हाइट. सो एरिया ऑफ बेस, अगर हम पहले बात करें कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब की, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब दैट इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ बेस एंड हाइट. हियर इज अ क्यूब, सो इट्स base is this. Here is the base, all edges are equal, so we can say that it's a length, breadth and height all are equal. So base of area into this height, so base of area is a square, that is we can say that side into side into height. So all sides are equal, so we can say that side into side into side, that is side cube, or we can say that edge cube. On the similar way, volume of cuboid, that's also area of base into height. Area of base, here is a cube, its length, breadth and height. So base is this, so area of this base into height, so length into breadth into height. So area of base is length into breadth and into height. So we can say that area volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So volume of cuboid. The similar way, the volume of cube is equal to this. Here are two formulas. Now we will solve the simple two examples based on this. After that we will start the exercise 13.5 based on this exercise. So here are two examples. Length of cuboid, that is 12 centimeter. Breadth of cuboid is 8 centimeter and height of cuboid is equal to 10 centimeter. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So we can say that 12 into 8 into 10, that is equal to 960 centimeter cube. One more example based on cube. Edge or side of cube is equal to 10 centimeter. Then volume of cube is equal to edge cube means 10 cube. So we can say that 10 multiply 10 multiply 10, that is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now we are going to start exercise. So this is the question number 1, exercise 13.5. A matchbox measures 4 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of the packet of containing 12 such boxes? सो यहाँ पर उसने कहा है कि एक मैच बॉक्स है जिसकी लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट हमें गिवन है, उसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करना है, और एक पैकेट है जिसके अंदर 12 मैच बॉक्स हैं, तो हमने उसका कंप्लीट का जो है वो वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हियर इज द लेंथ ऑफ मैच बॉक्स इज 4 सेंटीमीटर, breadth 2.5 centimeter and height is equal to 1.5 centimeter. So volume, the length multiply breadth multiply height, that is 4 multiply 2.5 multiply 1.5, that is 15.00 centimeter cube. So volume of one matchbox is equal to 15 centimeter cube, and volume of 12 such matchboxes, that is 12 multiply 15, is equal to 180 centimeter cube. The question number 2, exercise 13.5, a cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? So here is length is 6 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter, and height, or we can say that depth, that is 4.5 meter. So its volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So that is 6 point multiply 5 multiply 4.5, we can say that 135.0 meter cube. So volume is the 135 meter cube. Here he is asking how many liters. We have to give the answer in liters. It means we have to tell the capacity of this tank. So capacity means 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 लीटर. सो मीटर क्यूब को लीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम 1 मीटर क्यूब में 1000 लीटर होते हैं. सो कैपेसिटी जो होती है वो लीटर्स में आएगी. सो 135 मल्टीप्लाई 1000, that is equal to 135000 liter. Question number 3 of exercise 13.5. A cuboidal vessel is 10 centimeter long, 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 meter cube of a liquid? It means here length is given, breadth is given, its length, its breadth, and volume is given. We have to find its height. So here length of this vessel is 10 meter, breadth is equal to 8 meter, and height which we have to find, volume is given, that is 380 meter cube. So we know that volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So volume is equal to 380, length 10 and breadth 8 into height. So we have to find the height. So we'll shift this to this side, it will divide the volume. So height is equal to 380 upon 80. So 0 is cancelled with 0, and remaining, if we divide 38 by 8, that is 4.75 meter. So height of that vessel is 4.75 मीटर. ओके, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो उसको लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और अगली वीडियो के अंदर रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज विल बी सॉल्व. हम अगले वीडियो में इस एक्सरसाइज का रिमेनिंग पार्ट सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, बाय, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.